Today I will talk about how can you add new contacts on your Get Contacts app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here. You click here on menu down here, and you just click here on menu. Then it's going to, oh sorry, or you just click here on chat here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here in this sign. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on your contacts. So then here add name and phone number. If you have email, can you add it here, and you click on save to save with you. So that's mean you add new contacts on your Get Contact app. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.